this is for the very first times in our 30 years that we will have a national dialogue. In the past, when we had, for instance, CODESA, that was a meeting of the political parties. Now it's going to be a meeting of the people of South Africa. Everybody, the political parties, the women's movement, the youth movement, the traditional leaders, the traditional healers, the artists, the academics, everybody, sports people. As an inclusive national conference of the people of South Africa to look at the challenges facing the country and to say, we, the people of South Africa, think as follows about where the country should be. I'm mentioning that, comrades, because it's a very, very important initiative. And as the President has said, what comes out of that discussion and decisions by the people of South Africa as a whole, of course, will become an important fundamental base for how government behaves. I'm quite sure the ANC will be invited, like the other parties, to participate in that national dialogue. And one of the critical challenges the ANC is going to face is if it continues to view itself as its leader of the people of South Africa. How does it demonstrate that leadership in that context? You can't dictate to people, you must convince them. So we have as a movement, a responsibility to engage that national inclusive process, to put forward our own ideas. Hopefully the population will support us, so that in the end, at the end of that conference, come answers from the population as a whole as to what needs to be done in order to respond to all of these challenges that our country faces. I'm saying it's going to be a particular responsibility of the ANC to make sure that it makes the necessary contribution to that kind of discussion in a national dialogue, and therefore help to determine what will be the outcome of that process. So that responsibility to think and make an input in terms of impacting, influencing that national dialogue will affect all structures of the ANC, including this PEC. In that context, I was very, very glad to hear that you've already taken a decision to prepare for a retreat, to prepare for a retreat of the conference, so that you can get into some depth in discussion of these issues. And I hope you'd include this particular issue. What do we say, what do we do as the ANC to contribute to the success of that national dialogue?